Hello! Let's learn simple English together.
Today, we Learn English in Class. Real phrases for beginners.
If you don't understand, don't stay quiet. Use one simple sentence.
Say it with me. I don't understand.
Again, I don't understand.
Perfect. Now let's learn the most useful classroom phrases. Listen and repeat. Excuse me.
Excuse me,
Can you repeat, please?
can you repeat, please?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
What does this mean?
What does this mean?
How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Is this correct?
Is this correct?
I have a question.
I have a question.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. Now we practice with a real mini conversation.
Imagine you are in class. The teacher is speaking fast. You are confused. Ready?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Open your book, please.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I don't understand.
No problem.
Can you repeat, please?
Yes, of course.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Sure.
What does this mean?
It means,
How do you say this in English?
you say,
How do you spell it?
S-P-E-L-L.
Is this correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's your turn. Speak out loud.
Don't worry about your accent. Just speak.
You didn't hear. Say,
Can you repeat, please?
good. You are confused. Say,
I don't understand.
you want the meaning. Say,
What does this mean?
you want English. Say,
How do you say this in English?
you want spelling. Say,
How do you spell it?
you need help, say,
Can you help me, please?
great job. Quick review. Repeat once.
Excuse me, I don't understand. What does this mean? Can you repeat, please?
Perfect. Today's homework is page 10.
Excuse me?
Yes?
What does homework mean?
It means work you do at home.
I don't understand page 10.
No problem. I can help.
Can you repeat, please?
Yes. Homework is page 10.
How do you spell homework?
HOMEWORK.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We have a test today.
I'm sorry, what?
A test.
I don't understand.
It's okay.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Yes, we have a test today.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Is this correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your turn. Speak out loud. Situation 1. You didn't understand. Say, I don't understand. Situation 2. You want slow. Say, can you speak slowly, please? Situation 3. You want spelling. Say, how do you spell it? Situation 4. You want repetition. Say, can you repeat, please? Great job today.
You learned real English for the classroom.
Remember these key phrases.
Excuse me, I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?
Practice one more time today. Speak out loud.
You can do it. See you next time.
Bye.